Hello everyone, in this episode of my CSS project I'm gonna be creating an Android robot with these functionalities. Alright, we got the eyes, we got the head, we got the leg, the hand, and moving the Android. So, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here I am on my HTML file. I'm also gonna open this so we can see what's going on. Okay, first let's declare the doc type HTML. Language will be English and get all the necessary stuff into the head section. Like so. There we go. Then I'm gonna title this as an Android robot. And I'm gonna link my CSS style sheet. Relationship is a style sheet. And href is gonna be style.css. There we go. Alright, let's go and create a body element. And I'm gonna create an h1 header that's gonna say your Android robot friend. Alright. Then I'm gonna create some div sections. So div class robots. Inside of here, div class Android. Then head. We are going to need eyes, and then I'm gonna create two div classes next to each other. So left underscore eye and right eye. There we go. Okay, then I'm gonna get out of two div classes. I'm gonna make a new row. This is gonna be div class upper body, and inside I'm gonna make left arm, and these are gonna be next to each other as well. The torso and the right arm. There we go. Then I'm gonna get out of this div section and create the lower body. Inside we'll have the left leg and right leg. Alright, so that should be all the HTML that we are going to need. Now it's time to start styling this. First I'm gonna take the body element, and the background color will be black. Alright, then I'm gonna take the h1 heading. I'm gonna text align center and use the font family of Arial, Helvetica and sans serif. Also color white could be good. Alright, then I'm gonna take the class robots. It's gonna be a flex box. Flex wrap is gonna be wrap. Oh, flew. I can't spell today. There we go. Justify content, center. And the transition is gonna be transform. 1 second. Alright. Let's take the pseudo class hover of the robots. And the transformation will be translate x 100 pixels. We can also change that later on if we want to. So this is basically the animation of the robot moving to the right hand side when I hover over it. Alright, then I'm gonna take the head, left arm, torso, right arm, left leg, right leg, and apply background color 5F93E8 to all of these. And I'm gonna go with HCL values, there we go. Then I'm gonna take the head, the width is gonna be 200 pixels, margin 0 auto, height will be 150 pixels, border radius is gonna be, there we go, 200 on the top, 200 on the left, and etc, etc. Then margin bottom, there's gonna be 10 pixels of space between the head and the rest of the body. Okay, next up we gotta do the eyes. It's gonna be display flex. Then the head and the hover pseudo class, width will be 300 pixels, and transition 1 second, ease in, out. Alright, then upper body, width will be 300 pixels, height 150, and display flex. Okay, then I'm gonna take the left arm and the right arm, and the background color is gonna be RGB. That's gonna be the value. Alright. Okay, the animation is working already. Then I'm gonna add a width 40 pixels. Now we got a hand, height 125, border radius, let's set it to be 50%. Or 100 pixels. Yeah, 100 pixels is better. And let's take the transition, transform 1 second. Alright, there we go. Then I'm gonna take the left arm, margin dash right 10 pixels, and transform origin will be right top. Okay. Then I'm gonna take this left arm and the hover pseudo class. The transformation will be a rotation of 130 degrees. There we go. Then I'm gonna take the right arm, margin dash left this time. That's going to be 10 pixels as well. And transform origin is gonna be left top. Alright, let's add the torso. So we are going to have a width of 200 pixels, height 200 pixels, border radius is gonna be 0050 50. There we go. Then I'm gonna take the lower body class. The width will be 200 pixels as well as the height. Let's center align it and use flexbox. There we go. Then I am going to go ahead and I'm gonna take the left leg and the right leg, width 40%, pixels 40 pixels, height 120, and border radius 0 0 100 and 100. Alright. Okay, I gotta restart that. There we go. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. This is what we got so far. And some working animations. Alright. Then we are going to have to get the left leg, right leg, and then I'm gonna take just the class left leg, margin left 30 pixels. Let's take a look. Alright. And then the left leg hover pseudo class WebKit transform will be rotate 20 degrees. I'm gonna put all these transforms here. Alright. I'm luckily a pretty fast rider, so this is not gonna be an issue. There we go, and transform, rotate 20 degrees. There we go. Then I'm gonna take the right leg and margin this left is gonna be 30 pixels. The left leg's margin should actually be something like that. This is gonna be 30. Let's take a look. Okay, we have the animation on the leg, on the hand, on the head, on the robot. Alright, looking good so far. And after the right leg, I'm gonna get the left eye and the right eye. The width is gonna be 20 pixels. Same goes for the height. The border radius is gonna be 15 pixels. Background color, white. Oh, I'm missing a dot. There we go. Alright. And the transition is gonna be background color, and we'll set it to be 1 second. Alright, we are almost done. We gotta take the left eye property or the class, and this is gonna be positioned relatively. Top 100, left 40. Okay, there's our first eye. I mean the left eye. Then let's take the left eye and the hover pseudo class. When we hover over it, I wanna change the color to be purple. Then I'm gonna take the right eye. I'm gonna make the position relative, top 100, and this time the left is gonna be 100. 120. I guess that's better, alright? And then I'm gonna use the dot right eye hover pseudo class. And when we hover over the right eye, the background color is going to go to red. So yeah. That's gonna be it for this project. So, here we go. Your Android robot friend. He's waving at us. He can move his leg. His head gets bigger, or it turns. And the eye colors change. Alright, pretty cool. So yeah, this is a beginner CSS project, pretty easy to make, pretty easy to understand, but you will need some knowledge. But anyways, that's it for this project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody, and have a wonderful day.